welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Tilari Canal can break at 5 more points. Water Resources Minister makes sensational revelation. Says CBI probe of the entire work must. Sources say 3 officials of Mines Department indicted in Jitendra Deshprabhu's illegal mining case. Crime Branch conducts 3 inspections at Koregaon. Hearing on 24th February. Heavy rainfall in many parts of Goa on Friday and Saturday. Showers expected on Sunday. Climate change due to low pressure belt in Arabian Sea. Vijay Sardesai threatens agitation if the issue of notices to Talsanzor houses is not resolved. Criticizes the manner in which notices were issued. And state-level athletic championship to be held on 19th and 20th. 800 athletes will be participating in the championship. Estimated budget is 2.5 lakhs. Now the news in detail. In a sensational revelation, Water Resources Minister Dayanand Manrekar has said that Tilari Canal can break at 5 different places in the current scenario. He has demanded CBI inquiry in Tilari Canal work. He was speaking after laying foundation stone for a canal at Ragda River in Sankoda area on Saturday.
Tilari खंयतरी 22 वर्सां पयलें धरण हाडपाक लागले पावोवपाक बांदपाक आनी जेन्ना खंयतरी आतां उदक चालू जाना आनी उदक धरणान वताना फुडें धरण कोसळूंक लागलें आमी कितें म्हणटा ते उदक घेवन जर एक 10-20 वर्सां गेले आनी 20 वर्सांनी सगळे फुटलेले सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी समाधानी जावपाचे पूण तें जावना परत रिपोर्ट आमच्या ऑफिसरांनी रिपोर्ट आनीक काडला की आनीक 7-8 कडेन फुटपाची शक्यता आहा महाराष्ट्राचे आजूच अध्यक्षाचो स्टेटमेंट वाचला आमच्या अध्यक्षाचो सीबीआय इन्क्वायरी करची म्हणून हांवें थंय प्रेसाक स्टेटमेंट दिला तिलारीचेर
मतभेद अवश्य आसपाकूच जाय पण ते डेव्हलपमेंटल जेन्ना पळय काम आसा त्या डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या आड मतभेद येवपा जायना
आयज थंय जर बांदारो घालो जर जायत हांगा बांय मारली जर जायत ह्या बांयक ताचो फायदो जाता आमकां ते झट करून लक्षान येना आमची ही जमीन आसा हांव म्हणटा की हांगचो बांदारो आसा तो साळावले धरणाक पसून उपयुक्त आसतलो आमी अशे जर बांदारे घालीत रावले जाल्यार हे जे उदक आसा ते वेस्ट वता ते वेस्ट उदक आमच्या ह्या जमनी भितर खंय पीक कसलेंय काडटा आसतना हांगा खंयची एक बागायत जाली जर जाय जरी ताका पायपलायन ना जाली ताका कॅनल ना जालो उदक जरी दिलें ना पण ताची मुळां ह्या बांदाऱ्याच्या ह्या प्रक्रियेंतल्यान ताचो वॉटर टेबल चार्ज जाल्ल्यान ते जाता
Highly placed sources have revealed that 3 officers of the Mines Department are indicted in the Jitendra Deshprabhu illegal mining case. Crime Branch conducted 3 inspections at Bhidwada Koregaon mine site in this week. This report is likely to be submitted on the same day.
Sources from the Crime Branch informed that Investigation Officer DIVA SP Semi Tavares preparing the report on the alleged illegal mining case. The said report will be submitted in the court on 24th February. According to sources, report says, report indexed 3 officers from the Mines and Geology Department. Arvind Lonlekar, former Director of Mines and Geology Department. Deepak Mayekar, Assistant Geologist. Ramnath Shedgavkar, Assistant Geologist. Earlier, these officers had conducted inspection of Deshprabhu's mine, but the inspection report files went missing from the department. Investigation Officer Semi Tavares questioned these officers with respect to the missing files. Crime Branch along with Mines Department officers conducted inspection at the site on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. At present, 6 Goa Battalion police constables are deputed at the site to keep strict vigil. On Monday, inspection of the site is likely to be carried out once again in the presence of DIVA SP Semi Tavares. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Goa is going to get a wet weekend after recording hottest day of the season. Friday was the hottest day as mercury reached up to 39 degrees. But according to Goa's meteorological department's forecast, it would be a wet Sunday. The climate changed within 24 hours due to low pressure belt in the Arabian Sea.
Weather in the state started changing after Friday evening and temperatures came down to 13 to 14 degrees Celsius in the night as it rained. Almost every part of Goa got showers on Saturday afternoon. Latest forecast of Goa Met Department says it would be a wet weekend.
पार्ट्स ऑफ गोवा में लगभग सभी जगह हुआ है थोड़ा बहुत रेनफॉल, जो कि पोंडा में करीब 2.5 सेंटीमीटर है, वालपई में 3 सेंटीमीटर हुआ है। इस तरह से कुछ जगह पर 1-1 सेंटीमीटर हुआ है।
From Thursday, mercury started going up and Friday was the hottest day of the season when the temperature reached to 36.5 degrees Celsius. According to Goa Met Department, later a low pressure belt was created that resulted in drizzling in the state.
एक लक्षद्वीप एरिया से साउथ ईस्ट अरेबियन सी तक टू इंटीरियर कर्नाटका एक ट्रफ बना हुआ है, जो कि एक लो प्रेशर बेल्ट होती है। उसके कारण जो है ये थोड़ा सा क्लाउडी डेवलपमेंट हुआ, विंड थोड़ा चेंज हुई।
Director of Goa Met Department KV Singh said that Monday will be a normal day. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has charged the district administration of being hasty and illegal. He was speaking on the backdrop of removal notices served to the residents of Tolsanzor in Fatorda along with the residents of Moti Domor in Madgaon. He has also threatened to hit the streets if the issue is not resolved.
Residents of Tolsanzor in Fatorda met Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai on Saturday. They complained that they are worried over the removal notices served to them by the local comunidad.
आमकां नोट दिल्लो ह्या सरकारान आनी आतां हो सरकार आमकां काडपाक सोदता।
27 वर्सां जालीं आनी आमची भुरगीं 1-2 वर्सांची आसलीं तेन्ना आमच्या भुरग्यांक घेवन आयज मेरेन हांगा ते रावलोलीं, पूण आमचो सरकार ही घरां मोडून करता। आमी खूंय म्हूण वयतलीं, आमी आतां भिरांतेन आसा, आमच्यान जेव उदक पासून पिवंक आमच्यान जायना, पूण हो सरकार आमचो मोडटा, पूण आमची घरां साल्वार कर म्हूण आमी मागता ह्या सरकारान, आमी सरकारीन लागीं मागता।
Sardesai has backed these aggrieved residents.
चिंबेल आहा, तो फ्रांसिस डिसोजाले म्हापशा आहा, थंय जुवारी नगर आहा, आनी हे व्हडले कम्युनिटीची जमनी खाल्ल्यो आनी घांट्यांनी खाल्ल्यो आहा। हे गोंयकारांकूय टार्गेट कशें करून करता तें म्हाका कळना। सो सरकार कोणाचो? सरकार गोंयकारांचो काय आनी कोणाचो? हो प्रश्न पडिल्लो आहा। सो म्हाका एक दिसता की सरकारान हाजेर बरे भशेन चिंतूंक जाय। डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सारकें मिसहँडल करता इशू, की लोकसभेची मतां घेवपाक लोकांची दे वॉन्ट टू मेक गोवन्स होमलेस। इज दीस द इशू? आनी अशें जर केलें जाल्यार आमी कोण ओगी रावचे ना। वी विल सी दॅट दिस विल बिकम एन इशू, विल टेक इट टू द स्ट्रीट्स।
Meanwhile, President of the Fatorda Development Committee, Camilo Barreto, has threatened to approach the court for stay on removal of structures at Tolsanzor in Fatorda.
Administrator order काढला removal म्हणून, सो आमी पयले म्हणल्यार तांकां आमी डॉक्युमेंट सबमिट करतले ऑन बिफोर डेडलायन, आनी दुसरी म्हणल्यार तरी पूण आमकां हरेस करता जाल्यार आमी स्टे हाडटले आनी तेजेर आमी जे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट जाय ते सगळे सबमिट करतले आनी तेजेर आमी कोर्टा वचून तेजेर आमी हें करतले।
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.